We're here on the campus of Oral Roberts University looking at their Global Learning Center and the immersive technology of virtual and augmented reality. Oh, it's an impressive experience. We're excited about ORU hosting this.
Oh, cool! Look at that. So now
Well, I teach web design and multimedia and image management techniques at Union High School, and there's always ways that technology can relate to what you're currently teaching, because I teach technology, so new technology can always affect current technology. And so I know that there are programs where you can go in and you can design and sketch, and you can put those into 3D, you can bring them into Illustrator, and so we work heavily with Illustrator, so you can bring all of those things that they create in the virtual reality into Illustrator and work with those. So it's like cross-training.
With the technology that we're already incorporating with the Innovation Lab and our STEM curriculum, we just think that virtual and augmented reality will really engage our students.
I love virtual reality, and I've dabbled in it a little bit before, and so I always get excited when I get into it again, and especially the medical part. It makes you want to go back to school and be a doctor, which is what I originally wanted to do, and then I decided to be a teacher. So I was all set to go to medical school, but then I decided to be a teacher, and so being able to see all this stuff is really cool. And it's amazing, the technology these days and what it can do and where it can take you, as long as you embrace it in the correct way.